so glad you're enjoying my air frying videos. Tonight I thought I would do a fresh veggie recipe. Tammy, Rhonda, and Julie, this veg is for you. Tonight we're making roasted vegetables in my air fryer.
Use any vegetable you have on hand, but cut them into uniform pieces.
Once you have your vegetables chopped up, you're going to add your seasonings. We're just going to put a little bit of olive oil, not too much, maybe a tablespoon. Some Italian seasonings, and some lemon juice. Stir or toss to make sure you get a nice even coating. Transfer the vegetables to your air frying basket. We're going to cook at 400 degrees for 15 minutes, but at the 8-minute mark, we're going to do something special. We're at the 8-minute mark, so you're going to want to pull it out, shake it, and now for the special ingredient, you're going to want to squeeze a little more lemon juice in here to make sure that your vegetables don't get too dry. Put it back in and finish it up. Ready to see how they taste? We'll start with the squash. The squash is good. It's got a good consistency. Now let's do the zucchini. Zucchini is even better than the squash. Cauliflower. Cauliflower's nice. And now for the broccoli. You can really taste the lemon on the broccoli. Pretty good for a quick Monday night side dish. But I'm gonna give you a 2-for-1er. I'm fixing to do green beans in my air fryer, so keep watching. Start out with some fresh green beans.
Add some olive oil, not too much or they'll be greasy. Use your favorite seasonings. I'm using a combination of minced garlic and some sea salt.
Toss and make sure they're well coated. Add your green beans to the basket and cook at 400 degrees for 8 minutes. You're going to want to shake them halfway through. Also, keep a close eye on these beans. They might burn, so as you get close to the end of your cook time, start checking them for doneness. It's time to plate our beans. Yeah! As you can see, they're done. Got a little bit of caramelization on them. Let's see how they taste. I think these turned out great. They're not hard. I hate a raw green bean. They're cooked all the way through and they're pretty tasty too. So you have an easy side dish. Don't forget to leave me a comment in the comments section. Let me know if you've tried these and what do you think of them. And thanks so much for watching, y'all.